कनेक्ट कर लिया। हाँ, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Arrangement of the section, Chapter 1, Preliminary Section, Short Title, Extent and Commencement, and Definitions. Chapter 2, Central and State Boards for the Prevention and Control of the Air Pollution. Central Pollution Control Board, State Pollution Control Board, constituted under Section 4, Act 6 of the 1974, to be state boards under this Act. Constitution of the State Board, Central Board to exercise the powers and perform function of a State Board in the Union Territory, terms and conditions of service of the members, disqualification, vacation of seats by the members, meetings of the board, constitution of committee, temporary association of the persons with board or particular purpose, vacancy in board, not to invalidate acts as proceeding, member secretary and offices and other employees of the state board, delegation of the power. Chapter 3, powers and function of the board, function of the central board, function of the state board, power to give directions. Chapter 4, prevention and control of the air pollution, power to declare air pollution control states, power to give instruction for ensuring standards for emission from the automobiles, restriction on use of the certain industrial plants, persons carrying on industry, not to allow emission for the air pollutants in excess of the state laid down by power to board to make application to court for the restraining person from causing air pollution, furnishing of information to state board, other agency in certain cases, power to entry and inspection, power to obtain information, power to take samples of air or for emission, and procedure to be followed in connection herewith, reports of the results of analysis on samples taken under Section 26, State Air Laboratory Analysis, Report of Analysis, Appeals, power to give direction, funds, accounts, and audit, contribution by the central government, fund of the board, borrowing powers of the board, budget, annual report, accounts and audits, penalty and procedure, failure to comply with provision of the Section 21 or Section 23 or with the directions issued under the Section 31, penalties for certain acts, penalties for conservation of certain provision of the act, offenses by the company, offenses by the government department, protection of action taken in good faith, consignee of offenses, members, officers, and employees of board to be public servant, report to returns, bar of the jurisdiction, power of state government to supersede state board, special provision in the case of the suppression of the central board or state boards constituted under Water Act 1974, dissolution of the state board constitution under the act, maintenance of the register, effect of the other laws, power of the central government to make rules, power of the state government to make rules. The Air and Control Prevention Act 1981, Act of the number 14 of the 91, the act to provide for the prevention, control, abatement of the air pollution for the establishment with a view to carrying out the aforesaid purpose for boards, conferring on the signing of such boards power and function relating to thereof to and for matters connected herewith, whereas decisions were taken at the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment held in the Stockholm in June 1972, in which the India participated or to take participatory steps for the prevention of the natural resources of earth, among other things, include preservation of the quality of air and control of air pollution, and where it is considered necessary to implement the decision aforesaid in so far as they relate to be the prevention of the quality of air and control of the air pollution. But it interacted the parliament of the 32nd year of the Republic of India as follow short title extension of commencement. This act may be called the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981. It extends to the whole of the India. It shall come into force of such a state that the central government by notification in the official gazette appoint Definition in this act, unless the context otherwise require, air pollution means the many solid or liquid gases substance present in the atmosphere in such concentration as may be or tend to injurious to human being, other living creature or plants or property of the environment. Air pollution means the presence in the atmosphere or of the any air pollutant. Approved appliance means any equipment or gadget used for the bringing of any of the combustible material or generating or consuming any fume gases or particular matter and approved by the state board of the purpose of this act. Approved fuel means any fuel approved by the state board for the purpose of this act. Automobile means any vehicle powered either internal combustion engine or any method of generating power to drive such vehicle by the burning fuel. Board means central board or the state board. Central board means the central pollution board constituted under the section 3 of the water prevention and pollution control act of 1974. Chimney means includes any structure while opening or outlet for which any air pollutant may be emitted. Control equipment means any structure with an opening or outlet from the through which an air pollutant may be emitted. Control equipment means the any apparatus, device, equipment or stream or control quality and manner of the emission. Air pollution includes any service device for efficient operation of the emission means any solid or liquid or gas substance coming out any chimney, duct or flue of any outlet. Industrial plant means any plant used any industrial or trade purposes and emitting any air pollutant into atmosphere. Member means a member of the central board or a state board as the case may be and includes the chairman thereof. Occupier in relation to the any factory or premises means the person who has a control over the affairs of the factory of the premises, include in relation to the substance the person in possession of the substance. Prescribed means prescribed by rules made by the under this act central government as the case may be the state government. State board means in relation to the state which water prevention and control prevention act 1974 is in force in the state government has constituted so far state pollution under act of the state board and in relation to the any other state the state board or prevention and control of the air pollution constituted by the state government under section 5 of this act. Central state board for the prevention and control of the air pollution, the central pollution control board constituted under the section of the water prevention control act shall without prejudice of the exercise and performance of which power function under this act exercise and powers and performs the function of the central pollution control board for the prevention and control of the air pollution under this act. State pollution control board constituted under the state board of the under this act constitution of the board. Central board to exercise power and perform function of a state board in the union territory, terms and conditions of the service of the members. Disqualifications, vacation of seats by the members, meeting of the board, constitution of committee, temporary association of person with boards for particular purpose, vacancy in board not to invalidate the act of the according member secretary and officers and other employee of the state board. Delegation of the power and function of the board, function of the central board. Functions of the state boards. Power to give directions. Prevention of the control air pollution, power to declare air pollution control areas, power to give instruction for ensuring standard for emission of the automobiles, restriction on use of certain industrial plants. Persons carrying out on industry extra not to allow emission of air pollutant in excess of the standard laid down by the state board, power of the board to make application to court restraining from person causing air pollution, furnishing of information to state board and other agency in certain cases, power of entry and inspection, power to obtain information, power to take samples of air of emission procedure to be followed in connection with herewith. reports of the results of analysis on sample taken under section 26 state air laboratory analysis, reports by report of analyzed appeals, power to give directions, fund accounts and audit, contribution by the central government, fund of board, borrowing powers of the board, budget, annual report, accounts for the audit, failure to comply with the provision of section 21 or section 22 or with the directions issued under section 31, penalty of the certain acts, penalty of contravention of the certain provision of act, offenses by the company, offenses by the government department, protection of action again good faith, consignage of the offenses, member officers and employee of boards to the public servants, report to the returns, power of the jurisdiction, power of state government to supersede state board, special provision in the case of the supersection of the central board or the state board constituted under the act, dissolution of the state board constituted under the act, maintenance of register, effect of the other laws, power of the central government to make rules, power of state government to make rules,